Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a tour on the Melrose Hill bypass and we're going to give you guys an update as to what's going on. Now, I have a question before we start. The Highway 2000 is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass. So the construction you see going on is the bypass being upgraded to 4 lanes and it's going to be a dual carriageway. But will this road still be named the Melrose Hill Bypass, or will it be the PJ Patterson Highway, or Highway 2000 East-West Leg, which was renamed the PJ Patterson Highway? So if anybody knows, can you leave a comment in the section below, and we'll include it in the information in a future video. So what you see going on here now is the Melrose Hill Bypass being upgraded to 4 lanes. So if you're coming from Poros and you want to go to Williamsfield, the road you would use is the Melrose Hill Bypass. And that's what we're looking at now. So even though it's being incorporated into the highway, you can still drive from Poros to Williamsfield on this bypass and don't have to pay toll. That section, the section between the Melrose Hill Bypass section, won't be a toll road. Every other part of Highway 2000 will be a toll road. So that's very good, and we have to give credit to the government for making sure that this road did not become a toll road. Because on a few occasions, like the Portmore Expressway, that was incorporated into Highway 2000 and it became a toll road. So very good that you don't have to pay a toll. So basically, if you're coming from Maypen, you will go down to Clarendon Park, or the highway is going to run from Maypen to the Clarendon Park area, and it will be beside the Maypen bypass. Then from Clarendon Park over to the Melrose Hill bypass, it goes over the hill. So it's a new path. And then it merges with the Melrose Hill bypass and heads up to Williamsfield, and that's the section we're looking at today. So basically, if you're coming off the highway onto the Melrose Hill bypass, you merge and you come onto this road. If you're coming from Poros, you have a separate road that you take and it merges into the Melrose Hill bypass. So both the traffic from Poros and the traffic from the Highway 2000 will both merge onto the Melrose Hill bypass, and that takes you up to Williamsfield. So this is what we're looking at today. And you can see it's a highway quality road. This road is built to a high international highway standard. It's 4 lanes, dual carriageway, just like the rest of Highway 2000. But we know there's no toll plaza on the Melrose Hill bypass. But some persons are saying from Maypen to the Melrose Hill bypass, there is no toll plaza. We were told there was one toll plaza. So guys, if you know what's going on, let us know. Will there be a toll plaza? Now, right before you get to the Maypen bypass, there is an existing toll plaza. That's the Maypen toll plaza. So from Kingston to Maypen, you have 2 toll plazas. You have the Vineyards toll plaza just outside Old Harbour, and then you have the Maypen toll plaza. So what some people are saying is you're not going to have an additional toll plaza. They're going to increase the toll rate at the Maypen toll plaza, and then you come down to Williamsfield. Some other information we got is that there's going to be an additional toll plaza somewhere along Clarendon Park. So if anybody knows, you can let us know. We are going to reach out to the NAA, because they're in charge of the building of these roads, to find out if they're just going to increase the toll at the Maypen toll plaza, or they're going to put in another toll plaza. So here you can see them working on the Jersey barriers. And this road is going to be open. The entire section from Maypen to Mandeville will be open in August of this year. It's over 90% complete. Basically, the Melrose Hill Bypass area is the last section of the road to be built. The rest of the highway is finished. That's why if there is a third toll plaza, it should be built already, because remember, the Melrose Hill section will not have a toll plaza. Now, they have officially said the highway will end in the vicinity of the steel factory at the Williamsfield roundabout. So it's going to be somewhere in this area, because straight ahead is the Williamsfield roundabout. So if you're heading towards Kingston from this section, or from Williamsfield, let's just show you. You would go straight where you see those cars going, and that takes you over the Melrose Hill Bypass. Before the construction started, you would just go straight here where you see the road blocked off and head on the bypass. Hi guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.